डायरेक्ट मेथड पे बात करने जा रही हूँ मैं. डायरेक्ट मेथड, एज इज एविडेंट फ्रॉम द नेम, दैट सभी अप्रोच समथिंग डायरेक्टली एंड देयर इज nothing in between. Or what do we approach directly? The target language. In direct method, we focus on the language, target language. We don't use native language. We don't allow our native language to interfere the target language. So in this context, in this scenario, it is just and exactly opposite to grammar translation method. Look at this slide. These are the characteristics of principles of direct method. No translations, no mother tongue. Grammar is taught inductively. The learner should figure out the rule through the example by the teacher. The example is quoted, and what is the rule? You can perceive what is the rule that emerges out of this language. You see example. Then conversation is taught first before reading and writing, and always in English. Okay, so English मैंने इसलिए कहा because this is the target language over here. And then there is another slide that we don't talk about the language but the language itself. Whatever the word, sentence is taught, it is taught as a sentence, as a word. We don't talk about this thing that this is communication, इसका ये मतलब है, ये ऐसे. We actually use the word communication अपनी writing में, अपनी spoken activity में. ठीक है जी. अब look at these slides. ये सारी हमने पीछे देख के आए हैं, कहाँ कहाँ हमने direct method use किया था. You can recall this slide when we were talking about the adjectives, and I was talking about the function of the word, and I was trying to make you understand कि किस तरह हमें पता चलता है इस word का, ये word की क्या category है, ये क्या कर रहे हैं. तो मैंने कहा था कि आप look at the function performed by that word. So when we focus on the function performed by some word, what are we doing? We are focusing on the language, and whenever we are focusing on the language or language use, हम किस पे जा रहे हैं? हम direct method पे जा रहे हैं. इसको देखें. When we said that there should be a lot of spoken activity, there should be a lot of practice about speaking and speaking and speaking. So what are we doing? What are we using? We are using direct method, because when we are focusing on the language and the language use and we are practicing about that, what are we doing? We are using direct method. ठीक है जी. उसके बाद है when we are asking about the speaking strategy में बात हमने की थी कि we use minimal pairs, we use we make clarifications, and we ask about language, and we say, what did you say? Okay, what do you mean by this? Clarify this. And when we are trying to make clarifications, we are trying to get clarifications, we are trying to eliminate the confusions, and what we are doing and we are using direct method. क्योंकि हमने ये कहा है कि direct method में focus किसके ऊपर है, क्या चीज़ टारगेट है, लैंग्वेज टारगेट है, और प्रैक्टिस हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टारगेट लैंग्वेज को हम कर रहे हैं. All the time when you are focusing on these skills, you are practicing about these skills, और आप ये सारी strategy जो आप यूज़ करते हैं, ये की है हमने पीछे, तो ये सारी किसमें हो रही हैं? direct method के अंदर डील हो रही हैं. तो always keep in mind that this way I have used under this method. Whenever I am using this strategy, this technique in my classroom, or I am conducting some similar activity, similar technique in my classroom, what am I doing? I am using direct method.